Looks like the dip buyers got crushed today, and good day to be short. Nice trading day, plus 490 on 1 micro, stock index 25 for the 50K. These are the real results, plus 1270, 200K, 3 micros, stock index 25. The hypotheticals are about 400. We did a little better than the hypotheticals because we traded 1 micro on the 200K in the night session, and then increased to 3 contracts for the day session. And the 50K portfolio did not trade until the day session, and since the trades in the overnight session were losses, this benefited us. We were able to beat the average just a little bit. As we phased into 3 micros on the 200K, 1 micro on the 50K, it was kind of a choppy day. Early on, it was when our direction went against us, when our direction went against us, and then finally went our way. At the end of the day, as the market sold off, we looked at Friday's sell-off. Happened overnight. Most of that happened overnight, and it was propped up all day. We talked about how it was propped up all day, and then we talked about how it could potentially, gap down like it did last week. It was propped up, and then it gapped down on Sunday night. Same thing, gapped down on Sunday night. So realizing the real prices that should have been seen on Friday were not seen until Sunday night, and then the market was they tried to prop it up again on the ceasefire. And then reality set in, yield curve inversion, higher interest rates, inflation, ceasefire, not really what they thought it was. And so market needs to sell off some more, needs to take out those lows that we saw. I guess, let me show you those. Right here, these lows back here on February 24th, I thought these were artificial lows. A lot of these lows look like artificial lows to me. We're in a bear market downtrend, and I said that once we were down, we closed down 20%, and we're down. We're closing below the Wednesday session before Russia invaded Ukraine here. The Wednesday before was February the 23rd. Russia invaded Ukraine. The market sold off and then closed higher. We're closing below those closing lows. So we're at the lowest close right now that we've been in a while. I said that once it closes below those 20%, we might see less dip buying, less pulses and spikes higher. And we did see that again today, like one final spike higher. Just looked like this unnatural pattern to prop the market up right there, take out those overnight highs, to take out what was that. This was the natural selling that was supposed to happen on Friday, happened on Sunday night, and the market tried to reverse that once again unnaturally. And then you see it what the truth is right here, and I think the truth is even much slower. We'll see. Those truths can be distorted as we continue to see. We have to trade distorted truths many times in the markets, and so. But good trading day overall. Glad to see the market trade with a nice trend into the truth as we go into the close. Let's look at the trades on the day in the micro stock index portfolios. So 3 contracts per 200K. You see these are 9 contract trades. 4207.50 on 9 contract. Micro contracts on adaptive moving average. Almost a full E-mini S&P. Just Cobra 3 profit target version plus 540. Night trader plus or minus 720. The first trade. Night trader's been trading more frequently. It took 3 trades on Friday. It took 2 trades last night. The first was a winner. The second one was a loser, and so the overnight session had losses, and we traded 1 micro on the 200K per 200K and no micros on the 50K. Then we upped it to what we said we were going to do. It was to trade 3 micros per 200K and 1 micro per 50K. And so looking at EVP1, it lost. It was just stopped out on this rally. Let me show you the rally. So it just continues to be that those bursts that like to take us out. Got short and boom, it burst higher. Needed bigger stop losses, $1,000. Need $2,000 stop losses, I think now, or did need it. I think we can get some more smooth downtrends now. Gap continuation, $700 stop loss per E-mini was stopped out. The $1,400 per E-mini was stopped out right here at the swing point. So a $2,000 or something a little higher than this would have done really well. Just stopped out on that counter trend move. And tick reversal though, top strategy on the day shorting the rally here, small rally, and it took some time for this to start going our direction, hit our profit target down here, and you can see the initial prop up price action right here. Looked like the market was going to rally here, and then it's going to rally here. Going to try to turn this into an afternoon rally, and then we got the selling. The dip buyers got crushed. Got another tick reversal trade here. Looked like a little bit of an effort to rally it back, and then it just sold off into the close. So good selling in the market. I think it brings some more truth to the market to see this selling. I think these dip buys recently have been too premature for the market. Cobra 3 hit its profit target as well. Nice trade there. Just stopped out on Friday. Hit its profit target today. So see the last 3 trades on the screen are losses. But today was a winner on the short side. Cobra 2022 trades at night. Stopped out. And momentum reversals, one of our new strategies, was there to catch the long side if it did reverse. But those 2 were stopped out on the day. This one hasn't traded much since we released it. And so those are the trades on the day. Let's look at the market internals as well. I don't want to delete that. I meant to minimize that. You have to be careful not to delete that. And so the market internals just beat down on the advanced decline line. High -32, low -2007. The ticks, see this pattern where it diverges throughout the day. And VIX up 13% on the day, up at the 36 handle. So moving higher, VIX is moving higher. And here is the E-mini S&P on this side. So still under the weather a little today. So if it sounds a little different, that's why. So those are the trades on the day. Good trading day. It was good to short the market today. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.